my goodness. I'm hella sad, dude. Oh my god, this is gone. Hella gone, guys. I'm hella sad. Damn. It's really. Oh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes guys, this video is I don't even know, like I never ever thought that I would ever make this video, but guys, I'm like truly hurt and sad inside. But yes, I did crash my Scion FRS. If you guys have been following my channel or subscribed, you guys would know that I do film a lot about my cars, so I'll keep y'all updated. Right now I'm just gonna go to the repair shop and just go get all my stuff because the insurance did bought my car. I'm sad, guys. I'm sad, but I'll let you guys know later. Guys, so I just made it to a shop and I'm just so sad, guys. Like, I'm gonna look back at this video and I'm gonna be like, oh my god, this is so cringe, but like, man, guys, I can't even do this no more. I can't even film this video. This is so cringe, guys. Whew, but it's cool. I'm gonna look back at this video and I'm gonna laugh at this video, you know what I'm saying? But this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard, guys. Hard for me. And yes, guys, I'm sad. Heartbroken, guys. I'm not even okay. If you guys are really asking me, like, I'm hurt as hell, guys. I can't really even speak much, you know. Knowing that this is gonna be like my last time seeing this car, you know. Guys, this is so tough, guys. This is so hard, man. I don't even want to go see it no more, dude. You guys are probably asking why, like, didn't I why don't I just keep it? Like, I don't know, because like my car it's also under my dad's name, and I'm also doing like something that, you know, I feel like it's for some. I feel like it's for the better, you know. It's for the best. So it's just a tough decision, guys. I don't want to lose this car. It's been a great 1 year with this car, guys. It's tough. It's tough. And guys, I know I'm expressing my feeling, but I'm really not okay, guys. I'm really not okay. And whoever is watching this, you guys are probably know about this thing, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause for me, I'm not really okay. I'm like truly hurt, you know. And yes, guys, I know that this may just be a car. It can also be replaced, but like, it's tough. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this car. I dropped everything. I dropped everything for this car. But it's cool. I'm gonna bounce back. I'm gonna bounce right back up, you know what I'm saying? Woo! It's cool, guys. Gotta stay positive, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go get the stuff, you know what I'm saying? Guys, so I'm in my car now. It actually feels so good being back here, but this sucks, guys. For now, I'm just taking off the shit boot. So this was mine, and I'm just replacing it back with the old ones. And I'm probably gonna check out the LED lights, the one from my previous video. Yes, guys, I'm kind of sad, guys. But I'll show you guys the incident or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So guys, so right now I'm just like detuning it back to like the original stock. So for the previous owner from the open flash tablet, he said that I'm the third owner, and then they can only like remember like 3 cars. I'm not even sure, but like we'll see, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, so this is the damage. Like the airbag did pop out. So the reason why this thing is cut off, it is because like I kind of gotta cut it off because when I drove home I couldn't see anything at it. So gotta cut the scissors. Alright, so it's just finished. Kind of scared because sometimes this thing might not even start, because if you do something wrong, then this thing won't start. Key on and confirm. Okay, key is on. I miss this car so much, guys. And just press OK, and then let it idle for 45 seconds. Moment of truth. Yeah, guys, so it's like my first time like tuning this thing, you know what I'm saying? But right now it's like everything is back to stock, and detuning it, so damn, I hella miss this car, guys. Alright guys, so if you guys didn't know, the front bumper is hella bad, and the skid plate under there, it's bad. I think the control arms is pretty bad too. I think everything in there is messed up. The TRD wheels is messed up. They're also hella expensive. And then this door, it's kind of bad. It's worse in person, guys, trust me. And then, yup, this is the window, and yup, this gap, damn, nice fitment, huh? But mostly this is only the damage on this side only. It's nothing major. The front bumper and everything should be easy. But the thing is just the airbag and probably the door. But this is just the damage. But I guess this is gonna be the last time that I'm gonna see this car in my whole lifetime. So if you ever own this car or have this car, you know, you guys better treat it right, you know what I'm saying? I hella love this car. So yeah, guys, I'm like hella sad, but like seeing this car again, it just makes me so happy. So this is gonna be my last time sitting in this car before I go cry again, you know what I'm saying? Damn, guys, it just feels so good, guys. Damn, it's gonna be my last time that I'm gonna start up this car. Last time with this car, guys. God damn, I'm hella sad. This is gonna be my last time. I'm gonna miss this car so much, guys. Guys, I don't want to leave this car. I just want to stay here. This car just warms my heart, you know what I'm saying? It's tough, guys. I'm telling you, it is tough. It just makes me a little bit happy that I was able to like get to see this car today. Makes me pretty happy, guys. So yeah, see you. I hope you have a good owner, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I'm hella sad, guys. Guys, so I just got back from my car and I just signed the paper of releasing my car. Honestly, I was sad earlier, but I am still sad. Like, I feel like it's gonna hit me later on, but I am still pretty sad, guys. But I feel a lot better seeing my car again. But damn, that was the last time that I'm gonna see it, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good, it's all good. I'm gonna bounce right back up, you know what I'm saying? But what car should I get next, guys? Recommend me a car. I'm thinking about the STI. What do you guys think? The 2015 Plus STI. What do you guys think about that one? I'm not sure, but yes, guys, I'm glad. I'm gonna go see it today. But yeah, I feel way better. I feel a lot better. It's kind of like a relationship, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Anyways, guys, comment down below what type of car I should get next, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, so what happened? So I don't really want to say much or tell much, but like it was a solo collision. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, anyways, I'm pretty good. So I feel a lot more happy after when I go see the cop, you know what I'm saying? Because that was pretty sad, you know. But it was like, today's like the last day of me seeing the car. I signed the release paper already, so you know what I'm saying? I would never own that car in my whole life again. Maybe, I might buy it back. Who knows, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe. Go check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I'm almost at 1,000 subs. Let's say 1,000 before 2020 ends, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, anyways, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire. Alright guys, so I got another ticket and you guys want to know why. Do you guys really want to know why? I'll tell you guys why they always target my car, right? It is because this sexy ass always be breaking people's neck, including cops, especially the cops, because you know it is way too sexy.